Today I am going to start the first week of class 12th in English, that is Flamingo. But before that I want to lay emphasis on two things. The first one is that I have already told you people about the pattern of syllabus. Again, I have discussed the figure of speech, and today I have decided to start the first lesson of Flamingo, and the first lesson of Flamingo is the last lesson, written by Alphonse Daudet. So let us see how to start and let us look at the lesson, the last lesson written by Alphonse Daudet. The lesson is based on teaching learning process. As we all know that teaching learning process involves a student and teacher. Here the teacher is M. Hamel, who is the teacher of French language, and the student is French, who learns French language. So this is the two important aspects, means there are two important characters in the lesson. One is the teacher and another is the student. The name of the student is French and the name of the teacher is M. Hamel. One more important thing is to be borne in mind. When we write the title of a lesson, we should be a little bit careful. There is some grammatical aspect involved in the writing of titles. Here in the lesson, the last lesson, 3 words are involved. One is the, last, and lesson. So when we write the name of the title in our examination, we must be careful that each word of the title must be written in capital letter. This is the most important thing. Another, we should be careful about the correct spelling of the authors that is already written on the blackboard. Another thing that we have, the title involves 3 words, the last lesson, but I want to analyze the word lesson here. Lesson. One word is the lesson, that is means part, sabak, and another word is also the lesson, L-E-S-S-E-N. Then what is the basic difference? The words are appearing same in the sense of pronunciation, but the meaning is different. Here the lesson means that you know, that is the part, and sabak means I will teach you a lesson. Means another things, that is the sabak. And I learned my lesson, that is another thing. So in different things, this is the lesson. But what about the lesson here? L-E-S-S-E-N, lesson. It is the responsibility, the importance of a person is lessened. So what is it? Reduce. Lesson here means to reduce. To lessen the burden of the children, new pattern of education has been introduced. This is lesson, L-E-S-S-E-N. So let us be careful, and I have just analyzed the word involved in a particular title, that is the last lesson. Now, I throw some light on the aspects involved in the lesson. the central idea and the important points which are to be discussed before teaching the lesson, that first is one, that linguistic chauvinism. Linguistic chauvinism is a system, a practice where a man, a person wants to love his or her language, that is the vernacular, regional and other language also. Rigidity towards one's language is known as linguistic chauvinism. Love and affection and respect to a particular language is known as linguistic chauvinism, and others' language are not given as importance as the people are giving to their own language. So it is a linguistic chauvinism which is reflected in this story. And the sense of patriotism. The sense of patriotism is also reflected in this lesson through the character and through the personality traits of a teacher, that is M. Hamel, in this story. Another very, very important aspect involved in this story is time and tides were for none. French is a student who lost his time and never attended the class of Mr. Hamel very attentively. And when the last lesson comes for the French language, French repents over the time loss. That is why it must be in mind that time is the best teacher. Time is a very precious thing. It should be properly utilized. But time once passed never comes back again, as it holds good with the character of French, who always neglected the French language teaching by M. Hamel. So, it is the things that repentance over time past is no meaning in our present context and situations. Tomorrow, I will discuss about the abstract of the lesson, the last lesson. Thanks.